Next limit is the limit of sine t times inverse tangent of ln of t as t approaches 0 from right hand side. We're going to apply squeeze theorem. We're going to apply squeeze theorem for inverse tangent of ln of t. The behavior of the graph of inverse tangent of ln of t is like this. The function is always less than or equal to pi over 2. The maximum value it takes is pi over 2. So you're going to say that since the absolute value of inverse tangent of ln of t is always less than or equals to pi over 2, we can multiply both sides by absolute value of sine t. Multiply both sides by absolute value of sine t. Why we are multiplying by absolute value? Because we don't want this guy to change the inequality direction. So here you have the absolute value of sine t times absolute value of inverse tangent of ln of t less than or equals to pi over 2 times absolute value of sine t. Now take the limit. The limit of absolute value of sine t times inverse tangent of ln of t is less than or equals to limit of pi over 2 times absolute value sine t. And note that t goes to 0 from right hand side. This guy is equal to 0. So by squeeze theorem, we conclude that this limit is equal to 0. So basically the limit of sine t times inverse tangent of ln of t as t approaches 0 from right hand side must be equal to 0.